Okay, so this is card number 3. And this hello, I cannot find it anywhere for the life of me. So I'm going to show you how to do something else. And it's not write it. So, but you could write hello. And you could use any little hello. And all of these greetings, you can use anything that you have in your stash for these greetings because they are not included in the kit. So let's start with my bone folder and let's grease that really good. Again, on the bottom here, I have my 2 layers that go inside. So we'll put those together. And that goes on the inside. Okay, for the front. So we have a pretty simple card here. It's just a couple of layers here. And this is one of the pieces that you will be cutting the bugs out of, if you haven't already cut your bugs. Whoops, this is going on the green. Oh, no, beautiful mossy meadow. Good old mossy meadow. Okay, and then you should have these, which are already cut for you out of the Everyday Arches. And these two are going to go together. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this one on the other one. There's no ribbon going around, so we can go ahead and do that. And then we can attach that. And this is going to go on with dimensionals. So let's add some dimensionals here. I took them all off. Can never tell. Okay, and then this is going to be centered on here. So I just want to eyeball it and make sure it looks kind of centered. Okay, I have my little hello circle and another outline circle for it. I have a stamp that has a greeting on it. What do you do with it? Right here. And this one says hello friend. Okay, we don't want the friend. The friend won't even fit. But the hello will fit on there really cute. And I think it's a cute greeting, or cute font. So I'm going to ink up just the hello. I'm not going to ink the friend. Just the hello part. You go right on the edge down here at the bottom, at the top of your ink pad, I guess it is. And you're just going to ink that section. And then come back and stamp. Now, if you cannot do that, you can always tape the word friend. And my O's kind of there and kind of not. I should have pressed down a little more on the O because it's got those lines going through it. Or move my H over a little. So just watch where you're centering it. It's not one that you want to flip over and do the other side. It's kind of crummy looking on the other side. So, or pick a smaller hello. Or a different greeting, a hi. Hi would have been good in there. Okay, so because this is going to go on here, I am going to, I went over top. I'm going to go over top again, but I'm going to put my dimensional right here. And I'm going to double stack because I've got 2 layers here. Even though, well, that's on dimensional. So I'm going to double stack this. Oops, I forgot to take that top off that one, didn't I? No? No, it's sticky. Okay. It's sticky where, though? It's sticky on that dimensional. Let's grab another one. Whoops. So it's off now. Okay, so I'm going to double stack and I'm going to put a little bit of adhesive on this corner right here. Just a little glue because that's where it's going to touch. And on that dimensional. It kind of sticks up a little higher then, so you don't really need the adhesive on here. But I put it there anyway. Okay, now I have my little creatures, which I have die cut because the dies do cut them out. Or you can fussy cut them. Either one. These, all 3 of these are a die, which is really nice. I love it when the dies cut the paper. So I'm going to put a dimensional on the back of this little character. Let's give him 2. We want him to stay up there. And just place him right here in this corner. And then I have my bee who's coming to visit. And he's going to go in the top right corner with dimensionals. And I'm going to go on the platform there. And then this is going to get a dimensional on the back, and it's going to get a mini dimensional. Grab those. I think that will fit on there. Yes, perfect. And we're just going to tuck this just like that, so it looks like he's holding it. I don't know if it should go under or over. I always ask, should it go under or over? It could go either way. I like it better under. I'm going to put it under his hand. Just like that. All right, and then we have some bling to put on this one. And remember, your bling is in your kit. You have a bling kit with your cards. So this is going to be, this little flower down here is going to get bling. And then we're just going to do 2 of them up here. And there we go. That is card, oops, no, we didn't mount it. I have a tendency to do this, don't I? Create the card front because I'm working on another piece. And it makes it really easy. And I forget to mount it. So let's put it on our card base, which is the basic white. Because you will need to do that in order to send it out. Okay, there is card number 3. I'll see you at card number 4. We're moving right along, aren't we?